Why stars appear twinkling? I repeat, there is a phenomena of light called refraction of light. Whenever light travels from one medium to other medium, like water to glass, glass to air, air to glass, or air to water, whatever the change in, if there is any change in the medium, in the path of light, light bends. Bending of the light takes place. That phenomena we call it as refraction of light. So whenever we receive light from the stars, so it is actually traveling along a different media path. Why? Because above the Earth atmosphere, up to a certain height, there is atmosphere, and the medium is different. And above the certain height, there is no atmosphere at all, so medium is different. Okay. So whenever there is a change in medium, light which is traveling from the star to the earth surface, it bends towards various media. So that's why we observe the stars appear twinkling. Okay.
Proxima Centauri to the Earth.
If the distance of
Proxima Centauri to the
yes,
Earth.
Proxima Centauri,
To the Earth.
oh yeah. What is the distance you are asking?
Yes, sir.
What is the distance? Wait, Sai Krishna. The answer is 4.2 light years. Yeah, then next, Sai Krishna.
Then I was asking that the stars appear twinkling on Earth because it has atmosphere. So can we say that it will not appear to be twinkling on Moon?
Yes, you can say that. Correct. On moon, we cannot observe it as a twinkling. Yes, you are correct.
Okay, sir.
Good, very good. Okay, so we have also understood the nuclear fusion reactions are taking place inside the stars. So that is responsible for this heat energy, which is emitting from the stars and the sun. Okay, sun is also a star. So the temperature of the inside of a medium-sized star is about 10 power 7 degrees Celsius. Very huge. Okay, we have also understood this. And there is one star called pole star, whose position is remains fixed with respect to Earth, and that's why we use it for the navigation purpose. And we also call this as a North Star. And we have also learned constellations, so group of stars with a group of stars forming a shape or pattern. Like Ursa Major, this is also called as Saptarshi Mandal, okay, or Great Bear, and Ursa Minor, Lagu Saptarshi Mandal or Small Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia, which is of W shape. Okay. And till this we have learned. Sun also we have learned. Na? Sun, did we complete Sun? Yes, we have done this.
Sir, we will start from solar system.
Huh?
Sir, we will start from solar system.
Okay, fine. Solar system. The word solar refers to the sun. Okay. The word solar refers to sun. A large number of celestial bodies such as planets, moons, comets, asteroids, and meteors revolving around the sun compose of solar system. Okay. Combinedly, sun, planets, moons, comets, asteroids, and meteors all combinedly together, we call it as solar system. Okay. Sun. Sun is a star. It's a medium-sized star. It appears much bigger and different because it is much closer to us compared to any other star. Compared to any other star, it is closer. We are close enough to the sun that we receive a good amount of heat and light from it, which is very important for life to exist. The light from the sun reaches the earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, like you can do this calculation by using the formula like speed is equal to distance by time. Speed of light, you know, e into 10 power 8, and time it takes. Time we can find out by substituting the distance. The distance is given here 150 million kilometers from the earth. Okay, when it comes to measuring distances of other stars from the earth, they are at so large distances that counting and understanding in kilometers is difficult. Okay, so other stars are like like just like how we cannot indicate Durgapur to Kolkata distance in centimeter or millimeter or meter, we prefer to indicate in kilometers. In the same way that large distances, the distances between the other stars and the earth, we cannot indicate with kilometers because it's a huge distance. We indicate in terms of light year, astronomic unit, and parsec. Last class we have learned. A light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So we have also got this like 9.4 into 10 power 14 na? 9.4 into 10 power 14 meters. I think. We have solved it. One light year is how much? How many meters or kilometers? Can anyone of you? One
Sir,
light,
can you repeat?
one light year
Sir,
is dash
Sir,
meters.
light year is
9.5 into 10 to the power 15 kilometers.
no sir 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer.
Yes, correct. 9.4 into 10 power 12 kilometer or 9.4 into 10 power 15 meter.
Yes, sir, meter.
Yes. Okay. The next, planets. So there are 8 planets. Our planetary system is an 8-member system. These planets revolve around the sun in fixed elliptical paths called orbits. Okay, and there is a shortcut actually to remember the sequence of these planets. Do you know that? Do you know the shortcut? There is a phrase by which you can remember the sequence of planets from the Earth's surface. Yeah, there is a phrase, my very efficient mail just served as noodles. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars again, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune. This is the sequence. Okay. You can remember with this sentence. Okay. You can note down. Okay, the planet definition is which revolve around the sun, around the star, we say. Okay. Definition of the planet is which revolve around the star. That is sun. In our solar system, sun. Okay, the first four planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, revolve quite close to the sun. Okay, as they have smaller orbits than the rest of four planets. So they are called inner planets. They are called inner planets. And the remaining rest four, on the other hand, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are much farther away, much farther from the inner planets. So they are called outer planets. Some of them have a ring system around them and they have a large number of moons. Okay. The moon definition again, which revolve around the planet. The sizes of the orbits of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are so large as compared to the orbits of first four planets that a correct to the size figure of the solar system cannot be presented on a sheet of paper. Thus, any diagram of solar system can only be present the order of planets and does not give any idea of their distances from the sun. Okay. So the diagrams, the maps which you are seeing in any textbook will not give you the proper measurements actually. Okay. Will not give you the idea of distances. They are only simply a schematic. Okay. Solar system before August 2006 picture, if you see, and they have mentioned not to scale. It's not to the scale. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The International Astronomical Union degraded the status of Pluto from a planet to that of a dwarf planet on 24th August 2006, leaving only 8 planets in the solar system. Actually, there was also, before 2006, we used to study, there are 9 planets in the planetary system. But now this Pluto no more considered as planet, and it is considered as dwarf planets. Like it is not satisfying the condition of the planet. So that's why it was deleted from the list of the planets. Okay. The 2 other dwarf planets known are Ceres and Ace. So these are also some dwarf planets which are not satisfying the condition of the planet definition. Okay. In my childhood, we studied 9 planets. Now I am teaching it as a 8 planet. So science always upgrades. You have to update it with the science and technology for this reason. If you carefully observe the diagram of the sun and its planets, planet members, you will note that each orbit is independent of the others and no 2 orbits cross each other. So that's what. So they have some independent orbits to revolve around the sun. So some of the planets are considered to be as dwarf planets are deleted from the list of the planet. Why? Because so this condition they are not satisfying. So they are not having an independent orbit to revolve around the sun. Okay. The first four planets which are nearer to the sun have a solid crust on them and are called terrestrial planet. And the last four planets which are far away from the sun are icy cold gaseous planets and are called Jovian planets. Okay. And all the planets keep on revolving around the sun due to the attraction of gravitation between them and the sun. Okay. All the planets revolve because of the gravitational force between them and the sun.